all about net force. As we all know, force is push or pull upon an object. It can cause an object in rest to move, change direction, reduce or increase the speed of a moving object, or change its shape. Force is measured in newtons. Net force is the combined total of all the forces acting upon an object. So the net force of this basketball is 45 newtons. Let's say, for example, you push a heavy table alone. You will notice it's a bit hard to push the table as it requires more force. Now, let's say you bring a friend along to help you push the table. It'll become easier to push the table as now your force and your friend's force adds up the total strength. The force against the table increases. So the forces applied in the same direction, the net force is equal to the sum of these forces. Now, when you push it from two opposite sides, it has become more difficult to move the object. So, when forces are applied in the opposite direction, the net force is the difference between the two forces. So, since these are opposite forces, we subtract the forces. So, 40 minus 40 would be 0, net force known as balanced force. And as for this one, the forces are not equal. So, when you subtract 60 from 80, you get 20, known as unbalanced forces. And here's what happens in planes. So, in planes, the lift and gravity is balanced out to be equal. So therefore, the plane can rise in the air. And this happens by the air molecules pushing up enough to act against gravity. And during movements, the engine helps push the air molecules back in order for the plane to move forward.